So friends, today I'm going to do an unboxing of iPhone 17 Air. Now this is one of the thinnest iPhone that they made. So I got this from Jarir bookstore in Saudi Arabia, and I'm going to be doing a full review later on. So let's see how it looks like. The color that I got here is light gold. Let me just put this to the side and see how it looks like. It comes with the latest A19 Pro chipset and comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM with a single camera of 48 megapixel. So here, as you can see, the box also looks very thin actually. So let's open it now. So yeah, I'm gonna be comparing it with the iPhone 17 Pro Max as well. I'm waiting for that device, so let me just quickly open the box. Here, as you can see, we have the device. Let me take it out. It's really lightweight and it's incredibly thin, guys. So let me just quickly show you what else we get in the box. We get a USB type C to type C cable. Here, as you can see, nothing else inside the box. So yeah, you only get a cable. So here is the device, guys, and let me just quickly show you. On the front we have a 6.5 inches display, which is very nice, and let me just quickly show you from the side how thin it is. As you can see, it's incredibly thin, guys, and the weight is also very good. You can easily hold this. So yeah, it's unbelievable, guys, and this color looks amazing in my opinion, light gold. So yeah, the build quality is also really nice. On the bottom we have a USB type C port and our mic, and on the top we don't have anything. On the back we have a single camera lens, 48 megapixel. So let me just quickly turn this on, and it's amazing, guys. It's very easy to hold and it's very comfortable to hold actually. So I really like the weight as well. It's not that heavy compared to the other iPhone models. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you are liking this color, white gold. So here, as you can see, the display, and yeah, the bezel size is also very thin, as you can see. I mean, guys, honestly, this looks really incredible, and I'm gonna be uploading a full review later on, so stay tuned for that. It is such a good option if somebody wants to buy a thin iPhone, in my opinion. So yeah, looks amazing. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you like this video. Click on that like button, share this video with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one, and I'm gonna be unboxing iPhone 17 Pro Max as well, deep blue, which I ordered. So I'm just waiting for it, and I'm gonna be comparing it with this one as well. So yeah, overall impressions is, guys, it looks incredible in the hand as well, and it looks very premium, and it's also very thin. So let me know in the comments down below if you like this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Allah Hafiz.